Here we have the Sage Barista Express Impress, a popular machine for anyone who wants quality espresso at home. Inside the box we get the portafilter, the tamper system, water filter, cleaning tools, the manual and of course the machine itself. The Express Impress is known for its assisted tamping system, built-in grinder and the classic barista style controls. On top you've got the bean hopper with a built-in grinder. It doses the coffee automatically and fills the portafilter perfectly every time. On the right is a steam wand and a dedicated hot water outlet, great for Americanos or rinsing your cup. The machine feels solid and premium, lots of stainless steel, clear buttons and that iconic analog coffee house look. No flashy digital screens here, just timeless dials and buttons. Let's make a quick espresso. The machine grinds and tamps for you using the Impress lever, so you always start with a consistent tug. The pressure stays stable for the perfect extraction every time. And there it is, a smooth, rich espresso with a beautiful crema. That's the Sage Barista Express Impress. Easy to use, well built and made for delicious espresso.